Hello and welcome back to the kitchen. Today we are making these super simple and super delicious keto crab cakes and serving it up with a fresh garden salad. This makes for the perfect weeknight meal because it is so fast to make. I mean, I'm talking on the table in like 15 minutes. A full list of the ingredients in the description below. Gonna start making our garden salad, keeping it super simple, slicing up some cucumbers, slicing up a tomato into wedges, and grating up about half a carrot. We're going to throw these vegetables on top of a bed of fresh chopped romaine lettuce set aside to serve later. Getting the board ready, time to work on the crab cakes. Go ahead and get those opened, and do not skip this step. You want to drain these very good. You don't want that crab meat wet when it goes in the bowl. Adding in 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of coconut flour, the juice of half a lemon, and I'm using about 2 tablespoons of olive oil mayo as a binder. Gonna mix that up. I decided to add some dried parsley just to add a nice green color to the crab cakes. This particular recipe makes about 6 patties, so keep that in mind as you're pattying those up. I'm just doing this in my palm. There's like all sorts of kitchen tools you can use to make them more perfect if you want, but these are good enough for me. Before we start cooking, we're going to get our sauce ready. I like to serve these crab cakes with a simple sriracha mayo, 1 tablespoon olive oil mayo, a squirt of sriracha, and a little bit of lemon juice just to get the consistency of the sauce where you want it. Next up, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil go in a frying pan at medium heat. And once that oil's nice and hot, we're going to go in with our crab cakes and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. That's about it, super fast. Be careful when you flip these because these keto crab cakes don't quite hold together as well as regular crab cakes because no breadcrumbs, but the flavor is on point. Serve up with some of our sriracha mayo. I decided to garnish with some green onions, and that is it. This is ready to go on the table with your garden salad for the perfect, super fast weeknight meal of keto crab cakes with a fresh garden salad. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Thank you.